So if you're a young creative like myself and you want to harness your talent and develop... Well, you laugh, sir. No, which part it was funny? The young part, or not a young, or not a creative? Anyway, you want to harness and develop talent and your skills, you've tuned into the right segment. I'm joined by the founder, the chief executive officer, the artistic director, head cook, buckle washer of the Remarkable Arts Company, and that's the name, Remarkable Arts Company. His name is Sajid Deacon, and he's brought some friends with him, and I'll introduce them to you in just a little while. Well, one.
Good morning.
All is well?
Yes, sir.
In 2 days, you will have your 3rd anniversary, no?
Yes, sir. 3 years strong.
Yeah, well, congrats on that. But why did you start this in the first place?
Well, it's all about the talent and what we want to promote. You know, we're a bunch of creatives, and we want to, you know, establish ourselves in the visual and performing arts industry. And we have musicians, visual artists, poets, and actors. So put them all together to create this unique, beautiful thing that we call art. Just put it together to make it so beautiful. Yeah, but
where did this start with you, this arts thing? Where did that start with you?
Well, art started with me from going to school at Edwin Allen High School, entering the JCDC competition, you know, being on stage.
In what area did you enter?
Drama.
Okay.
I love acting.
Yeah.
I met a lot of persons who, you know, saw a little talent here and there that I didn't take really seriously until, you know, I just started noticing that, wow, when I'm on stage, persons might even laugh or something. I just take it for a little, you know, fun, little joke thing. But, you know, I just decided that I wanted to develop this talent and went on to Edna Manley College, and then everything just went boom from there.
Yeah, and how did you get these young creatives to come and join you and to believe in what you believe in?
Well, most of us are students of the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Some of us are from School of Music, some of us are from School of Drama. So we just decided that we have the same goals, the same intentions. You know, it's one industry, so coming together, you know, building one brand other than just having your own name would be so much better for us to, you know, grow as a unit than as individuals.
Yeah, what has the 3 years been like, and have you seen the growth in your company?
Yes, definitely. It has been a great 3 years, ups and downs, you know, COVID-19, but we just look at the brighter things and, you know, worked on organizational structure and all those type of stuff. Did a lot of rehearsals, did a lot of performances here and there, did a lot of collaborations, worked with a lot of people, and we just keep growing.
Yep. Anything special planned for your 3rd anniversary?
Well, school is still our #1 priority, so we're kind of focusing mainly on school. So, you know, when we get a call, we got to check in with our timetable first to see where, if we can, you know, meet this one, if we're available to do this one. And so this time for our 3rd year, we're just, you know, focusing on developing ourselves and just, you know, celebrating, doing some small performances here and there, and just work on the brand.
Yeah. How many folks in the company now?
Currently, we have 23 members. Yeah, a lot of actors, singers, and yeah, a few dancers.
And what have you done in the 3 years? Where have you performed? Give me some highlights of the 3 years.
Well, we've been here before.
Yeah, I just saw a picture of you guys being here.
Yeah, we've worked with a lot of people. We've been at Jamaica Zoo. We've been to other television companies. We've done online shows. We've worked with different agencies performing all over.
Fantastic. I didn't know that there was another television company in the world apart from TVJ. I mean, is there another one anywhere in the world? It cannot be. So what's your next gig, for want of a better word, outside of what you're doing now? Or is it just straight school time now?
Just straight school time now. We have productions in the school, so we're just, you know, taking it slow, taking it a step by step, doing a lot of rehearsal so that when, you know, the next call comes up, we'll be ready.
Yeah, but you're in your final year? Or
yeah, I'm final year.
But the other ones, who's Kenya? Or is that pronounced it right?
Kiana.
Kiana. Them spell it wrong then. Is that them gives? So is that Kiana? And I suspect that's Chanel right there.
We pronounced it right.
No, but me agree with this man. I told them spell it wrong. I never get. I apologize. And Jared, Must be you. But pronounce your last name.
Unsigned.
Unsigned. Well, you know, then may that get it wrong too, from what I say. Great to see you guys. What you going to do for us?
Well, today we're going to perform a piece called Understand. It talks about the stigma that is attached to mental health. You know, sometimes persons see persons struggling with mental health and they take it for a joke. And it's something that is very serious and it can happen to anybody despite the class you are in life. And wow.
As an artistic director, why did you want to go there with mental health?
Because it's a topic that not many persons are willing to touch on, and a lot of persons actually don't take it serious.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah, we are.
You ready?
Ready?
Pronounce it again.
Kiana.
Kiana. All right, I'm so sorry. Actually, you kind of vexed me before, you know. All right, here they are now. And he's the chief executive officer, he's the founder, he's the artistic director. And it's Remarkable Arts Company, Sajay. So they leave a bit of their creativity with us in the studio. Me gone.
Why can't you comprehend? Please help me before this life has to end. I'm fighting this, but they only make it stronger. I don't know if I can do this any longer. This anger, this rage, I can't resist. Hurting myself, I can't desist, but I'll stay away. Since that's what you insist, I'll be gone and forgotten, but I know I won't be
understand. Why can't you understand? Why can't you understand without passing your judgment? Just because it's easy for you doesn't mean it's easy for me. Why can't you understand without passing your judgment? Why can't you understand?
I'm stressed, depressed, me no know what's next. My favorite take my life, me no know if that's best me feel. If you put a rope around my neck, or if you put a knife in my chest, no love, just hate. Wonder if you can relate. My life full of pain, me no have nothing to gain, me no have no money or no fame, but in my life, all me feel I just shame. You see me smile, then me cry, then you claim say me soft, and you don't know your words. I cut me in half, you think me dumb? Cause me love the rum, you think me weird. Cause me no want have fun, you don't know what I got through my brain, you don't know. Some me feel insane, you don't know. Some of that jump in front of the train, you don't know. About the depth of my pain.
Been through enough, me done with all the hurt. Value my mental health because me know what it's worth more. Happier days, value the energy and space. Now rush the healing process, just go with the pace. Me realize, say yo fam, we got through so much. Have life as a blessing, some call it luck. Give thanks for the good, give thanks for the bad.
Thank God me stay strong because me swear me woulda mad.
Why can't you understand? Why can't you understand without passing your judgment? Just because it's easy for you doesn't mean it's easy for me. I never wished for this, yeah. Why can't you understand? for you doesn't mean it's easy for me. I never wished for this, yeah. Why can't you understand?